Hello and welcome back. So when's the last time you guys actually cleaned the grinder? What I mean by that is take the blade out from the Barista Express. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Just make sure unplug the machine first. Whenever you guys are working on it, let me unplug this first. Okay. So you need some tools. Okay, you need 10 millimeter socket wrench. You need that to remove the blade. So here's what we're gonna do. Just like a base cleaning, just make sure remove this, the top burr, like that. And then from here, use a 10 millimeter socket wrench, go clockwise. So this is a reverse thread, so clockwise. And then you might need like tweezer to take the parts out. And then you're gonna have two washers here. Remove the washer and blade, like that. Get the two washer, and this blade is gonna come out. At this point, you might want to vacuum out all ground beans. I mean, I already cleaned it earlier today, but exactly the same process. And then what you're gonna do is, after that, you need to remove this blade right here. This is a little tricky to come out, so I like to use like a little needle nose. Scoop it out. There we go. And then you guys can clean this one as well. Just make sure this is out. And then from here, so you have this look like little felt. Remove that too. And you're gonna have a washer. Make sure, be careful, just make sure take the dishwasher out as well. You're gonna see one washer right there. This is it. This is a little tricky to come out. Finally, so dishwasher, like that. You guys, now everything's gonna come out. At this point, you might want to just vacuum out the rest of the beans. So at this point, just vacuum out the rest of the beans inside. I know it's like little confusing, but whenever you put it back, just a reverse order. So by the way, you need to be careful with this. It's look like little cloth there. It's a felt. Just make sure you don't want to damage that as well. And this is a little tricky to come out. So something like this, just like that. And this point, you want to scrub inside. Make sure get the oily grounds. Just scrub it, and then just vacuum out all the leftovers. And then so put it back together. Let me show you. At this point, reverse direction. Put this big washer back. And then this felt. Just put it back here. And then put this one Just make sure go all the way down. And then at this point, put the blade back in. So you see this hole right there and these two holes there, going into that right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Those, and just fits right, just like that. And then at this time, put these two washers back in. 1, 2, and then rest of this nut. So this is the counterclockwise. Pretty much it. And after that, put back the top bar. Click. The rest of it. So what do you think? You think it's easy or hard? Please let me know in the comment below. And at this point, motion is back on. Everything's working properly, and only thing you gotta do is make yourself coffee. Again, I got 18 grams of. This is Sumatra beans I just roasted. And you know what? Tell you what, I think I'm gonna. So I put 18 grams in it, and let's see the shot. So at this point, so I put 18 grams in it. I only get 14 grams out, which means since the machine has all that empty space inside the grinder, not filled with beans now. So again, as you can see, it's nothing coming out. So which means the 4 grams of beans are hiding somewhere. I'm gonna put some more beans in it. About 4 grams. $18.54 grams. I'm just gonna take a little out. So now I have 18 grams. At this point, I'm just gonna warm up my glass here. And then let's make some coffee. I'll be using my dosing funnel. Distribution tool here. Shot looks pretty good. I'm just gonna try this. This is Sumatra. I roasted about what, a week and a half ago, about 10 days ago, so should be really good. Cheers. Wow, fantastic. Sweet. Very smooth. And what else? Very rich flavor. I mean, I don't usually say about espresso sweet, but I mean, I have a very sweet on note on this one. It's really good. Anyway, I hope this video helps. I know that breaking apart might be scary for some people. So, I mean, that's why earlier I tried out first, just make sure I know how to do it. But yeah, it wasn't that difficult. Took me about 15 minutes to do it, so do it right. Anyway, if you guys liked the video, and thumbs up, and see you guys next time.